Jamaica's four-member boxing team to Guyana returned home with a gold, 2 silver and a bronze after a successful showing in the Amateur School Championship.
And they say ladies before gents, and it was the lone female in the Jamaican quartet who came out on top in Guyana. Brittany McFarlane of Eltham High proved too much for her opponents as she blew them away to take gold. She also came away with the title of Best Female Boxer. McFarlane says a lack of challenge made her work easy.
We did some hard work. My coach showed me some new moves. I went in the ring and I performed it and I came out.
She says it's all about being consistent going forward.
Since I started doing boxing, I've been to 2 countries, Canada and Guyana. I've been improving. I've been putting in some more extra training, fitness training, and it all paid off with 2 gold medals.
And being the only amateur female boxer now representing the country, does this make McFarlane feel lonely? She says she wants to see more females stepping into the ring.
Being the only junior female here representing the country, it's a good feeling to have some more younger ones coming into the sports, enjoying it, loving it, and it's okay.
Raman Chung of Moran Bay was in contention for gold, but the occasion proved too much for him.
Very disappointed because I should have won the gold, but the condition in training was very poor, so I got tired and I stopped in the second round.
Arnold Anderson of St. Thomas Technical didn't get to the final, but he's satisfied with the bronze he took home.
Well, I'm proud of myself considering the fact that I went out and I represented my country, despite the fact that I didn't come home with a gold, but it just motivates me to go back in the gym, go back to the drawing board, and next time I will represent my country as a gold medalist.
Ashani Laws of Denham Town High was the 4th boxer, and he returned home with a silver.